Hi, I'm Vic Teslin. Once you learn how to use a backsaw properly, a whole new world of joinery is open to you because you're not dependent on machines and complicated setups to get the job done. It may look simple, but there's a lot going on here, so let's take a closer look. Point your index finger down the saw to help with sawing straight. Stand to the side of the saw so that your body doesn't get in the way of your arm. It's similar to using a pool cue. Clamp the board as low in the vise as possible to reduce vibration. Put the toe of the saw on the line you wish to cut. Then tilt the saw slightly forward. Start the cut. Focus on applying forward pressure only. Any downward pressure can cause the saw to bind. As the saw starts to cut, bring the rear of the saw down, keeping it on the line. This will allow it to track straight. Once the saw is cutting on the line, keep the saw moving using long strokes and use the entire saw plate. This will also help to keep the saw cut straight. Lay out a series of lines on a board and practice sawing to them. You'll be sawing straight and true in no time at all.